It's a kind of semi-long.
Or semi-short.
Semi-short. I fell in love with this song when I was in Kalapana. And these two little girls jumped up on the stage to sing it. And I said, oh wow, I love it. And yet it's been on for at least 10 to 20 years. But it is the young girls that made me fall in love with this song because they come from the place, they love it so much that they begin the regeneration of knowing themselves, feeling the pride, and singing it as well. Well, when we came home from Kalapana, I heard my granddaughter singing this song. And lo and behold, she came up with another verse that I was not familiar with. And I asked her, oh, is there a second verse to the song? Because my musician's friends say there is none. And she climbed up and didn't say anything. So I said, will you teach Tutu this second verse? And she would not open her mouth. So if I am patient, I wait until she starts singing it again, and then I notate the words. Simple change. The second verse says, you of Kalapana have this pride of that place. And when you adorn yourself with the Halau that comes from the land, you know you are kamaaina to that land. So we share with you this wonderful, simple melody.
No ke kai o Kalapana kai leo Pualei o Kalapana Kulimale I kaleo Heleo no ke kai O Kalapana
Oh, Kalapana. Land that has resounding echo of the sea. And it can be heard as far up as Holy Mountain. The wave that sweeps Kalapana is beauteous. And that sound is so deafening. This voice of the sea. The beauteous voice of the sea of Kalapana.
O Kalapana
The people of this land sit so calm, and they adorn themselves with the Halau. Ah, yes, the Halau. So deafening is the sound of their voice. From afar, you can hear this voice, the voice of the sea. Kalapana is my land, my home. For the people there sit in the calm
Pualei,
and adorn themselves with Halau, the Halau of the land, deafening, truly deafening, is this voice of the sea, the voice that can be heard throughout the coastline. The beautiful voice of the sea.